Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a Yeedi robot vacuum cleaner that I've had for a couple of years in my house, and we absolutely love it. Yeedi just reached out and asked if I would try out this C12 Combo unit. So this one has a robot vacuum cleaner. It also has a stick vacuum cleaner that works as a mop, and then also as a handheld vacuum cleaner. So I can't wait to open this up, so let's get started. I really like the look of it. This is the stick vacuum and the handheld vacuum. This is the vacuum head for the stick vac. You know how when you take things out of the box and you can already tell they're good quality, they have nice polished finishes on them, they've got a little weight to them, so you can tell they're made with high quality materials. That's what Yeedi is. So here's that dock. Let's take a look at it. Love that it's red and black. Go dogs. What looks like this is the area that's going to clean out the robot vacuum when it comes into dock. There's a little red button right here. I'm guessing I just push it and lift. Yep, so this would lift off. Little trigger right here to easily dump it. Everything just feels nice. This canister is going to fit right down in here. So we're going to go out with the old and in with the new. This is going to slide right in here. And it stores over here on the side. Side brush should just snap in. We'll slide it right onto the base. These two silver pieces indicate that it goes in this direction. And time to plug it in. Now we just need to download the app, set up this vacuum cleaner, and once it charges, we'll let it start mapping the house. So now I'm in the app. I'm gonna scan the QR code. Then I'm gonna press the power button until it comes on.
For choosing the Yeedi robot.
All right, now I'm gonna choose to map my home.
Start mapping.
And let it get started. So it's interesting how it maps. It just rides around to the rooms. I'm guessing it's taking video of everything because it's not really going into corners and stuff like that. I'm ready to vacuum our home, so I'm going to open the Yeedi app. I'm going to press the black enter button. That's gonna bring me into the dashboard. I could choose auto, but I'm going to choose rooms, and I'm gonna select the rooms that I want it to vacuum. And then I'm gonna click start.
Start area cleaning.
You'll see it goes immediately to the wall. The first thing it does is trace the perimeter of the whole area to be cleaned. I love this because it ensures that it gets everything along the walls and in the corners. This coming up to a tricky part where we have a ladder, which you'll see how it navigates cleaning around that. Our other vacuum frequently knocked this down by bumping the legs repeatedly, and this navigates right around it. See, it easily fits under furniture. Here we're coming up to the bedroom. We did not choose the bedroom as a zone to be cleaned. The doors are open. I didn't have to worry about closing them. It's gonna go right up to the edge and bypass it. And it's gonna continue this all the way around the house. Once it's done going all the way around the house, it will then clean each room in a back and forward motion. Backs right in like a pro.
Start charging. About to start to empty the dust bin.
While the robot vacuum's taking care of the floors, I can clean up the other areas using this handheld vacuum cleaner with the extension and the brush attachment. I can get the cobwebs up in the corners, and I can take care of those vents that are in the bathrooms. We got a lot of rice spilled on the floor. So all I do is lift this up and stick it right on here. Right here on the top, I have the power button, and then I have the adjustment for the suction level. You can see it does a great job without shooting the rice all across the floor like some vacuums do. It also does a great job cleaning up hair, construction projects when I'm doing DIY around the house, and it'll even suck up a big pile of dirt in the basement. This is the couch where my kids sit to watch TV. I'm almost scared to look under the cushions, but we're gonna get it cleaned out. It's not as bad as I expected, but you can see there are crumbs and different stuff all throughout. So one of the nice features is you have attachments you can put on here that you can use for situations like this. And if this tool is not the one you want to use, it also comes with a crevice tool as well. And it's also great for cleaning up after my little projects. So you can see the flashing light indicates that this is recharging, and then all the debris came in here. Then we just go outside and we pull this trigger and dump it in the trash can. With that cleaned out, It's back in its place and the vacuum is ready to run again. So I can honestly say that this is a huge improvement over our previous vacuum cleaner because you get so much more in the package. You get the robot vacuum cleaner, which does a better job of cleaning and zone control. You get the handheld vacuum cleaner, which I find myself grabbing all the time. And then the stick vacuum cleaner, which is great for cleaning up those little messes without getting out the old vacuum cleaner and having to deal with the cord. It's heavy. This nice lightweight model makes cleaning a breeze. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section and check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.